And now to the weather with Herlyn Kaur. It was a really windy morning, Herlyn.
Yeah, it was a night of strong easterlies last night with gusts of up to 80 kilometres an hour in Perth this morning. It's set to stay that way the next few days, so not great for fire weather, unfortunately. Temperatures in the city peaked at about 1:30 this afternoon with 32.2 degrees from a low of 16.2 degrees around 10 to 5 this morning. Air and salmon gums in the south dropped to minimums of 9 degrees, while most towns in the north are still sweltering through a heat wave. Broome had an uncomfortable low of 27 degrees. The hottest spot, though, was Halls Creek, where it hit a top of 46 degrees today. Argyle got close, recording 45.5, and Newman had 44. On satellite, while we only saw some low-level cloud in the south today, you can see much of the east coast had lots more to report with thick cloud due to a low that's brought widespread rain, thunderstorms, dangerous winds and even hail. At home, a ridge is developing in the south with a trough extending over inland parts of the Gascoyne and into northern parts of Perth, so thunderstorms will continue for those regions tomorrow. Nationally, it'll be a wet day for most of the capitals. On the east coast as expected, a top of 31 for Brisbane, 22 in Sydney, partly cloudy in Melbourne, 20. Showers for Hobart, mostly sunny in Adelaide, and Darwin will get showers and a possible storm, 34 degrees. Back to WA's north, another very hot day ahead with showers and storms over the Kimberley and interior, reaching 47 for Fitzroy Crossing, a much cooler 28 though for Carnarvon. There's a chance of dry thunderstorms over the northeast Gascoyne, interior and far north Goldfields. The central west will be hot as well, several towns in the 40s and windy, cooler for some towns like Kalgoorlie and Coolgardie in the 20s. There's a chance of showers and thunderstorms for the Goldfields, Great Southern and South Interior. Windy along the south coast. Albany will be a cooler 24 degrees. There's an extreme fire danger warning along with a total fire ban tomorrow for the Midwest Gascoyne, Perth Metro, Goldfields, Midlands and Southwest regions, and a strong wind warning for several coasts from Geraldton down to Esperance. For Perth, it'll be another windy morning with strong gusts, slight chance of a thunderstorm for northern suburbs, and it's set to reach a warmer 35 degrees after a low of 21 overnight. Winds on the local waters will be easterly up to 20 knots. The sun will rise at 7 minutes past 5 and set at 7:21. And looking ahead, temperatures will peak on Thursday with a hot top of 37 before it bounces around in the low to high 30s in the lead up to Christmas. The forecast has changed slightly, 35 on Christmas Day at this stage, Pamela.
Keep an eye on that. Thanks, Herlyn. That's ABC News for now. We'll be back with you tomorrow. In the meantime, you can stay up to date with ABC News online. Stay with us for 7:30.